Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Blanca, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Happy 2025. I hope you guys had a great New Year's and a great Christmas as well if you celebrate. I sure did, and I feel so blessed for my health, for my family, my friends, just everything that I have in life. I'm truly blessed. I thought it would be only right to start my first video of the year with a Bath and Body Works haul. Did that make sense what I just said? I don't know. Anyways, I shopped the semi-annual sale. I wasn't going to shop it just because I have so many candles, so many fragrances, but last minute I just decided to start adding things to my cart and I couldn't sleep one night. Yeah, here we are. So I'm excited to share with you guys some of the goodies that I got. Let me know if you shopped the semi-annual sale or if you skipped out. All right, let's jump right into this haul. Okay, so I think I'm just going to start off with the candles. I got two of them, get those out of the way, and then move on to the fragrances. So one candle I wanted to grab is the cinnamon sugared pecans. This is new to me. I've never had this one before, and the scent notes are warm cinnamon, toasted pecans, and brown sugar. Smells really nice. Smells really spicy, warm. You can really smell the cinnamon. And obviously it's a nice, Christmas candle. But I also feel like you can burn it for the fall as well. Or even just right now. It's just this yummy, like gourmand scent. And those are my favorites. So again, this one is cinnamon sugared pecans. Yes. And it smells delicious. And then I wanted to grab another marshmallow fireside. This is hands down one of my favorite candles. I usually burn this one like all year around. Oh, it smells so good. It has like that nice like fireplace burning kind of smell with a touch of marshmallow, sweet vanilla kind of scent. And this is toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. It's so good. I hope this one is a nice burn because the one I got a while ago, I was burning it and I swear like it had no scent to it. I couldn't smell anything, and so I was pretty bummed out. So I wanted to grab another one. So hopefully this one burns really well. It smells a little bit stronger than the one I have, but yeah, I always need to have marshmallow fireside as a backup. I just love burning it all year around, and it's my husband's favorite. So these are the two candles that I picked up, and I will have the prices and everything like along here and the scent notes as well. So if you see those ones, definitely recommend them. They smell really nice. I'll show you this because it's kind of random, but I got this cute PocketBac holder. It's just Mrs. Claus, and she's got on her sparkly scarf, her cute glasses, her bow. So adorable. It's nice and sparkly, and you just put your PocketBac in there. I know it's Christmas theme, but that's okay. I will pop it on my purse next Christmas, and I just thought it was so cute. It was like, I'm pretty sure it was like $2.95, like less than $3. So I needed to have her. Okay, so I got some fragrance mists, and I wanted to get some of the mist from the Luxuries collection, and those are supposed to be dupes for high-end perfumes. I already have some that I have purchased in the past. I just haven't shown them, but I wanted to stock up for sure on Pink Obsessed. This is my third bottle. This one is supposed to be a dupe for, oh my god, what is it? Valentino. Born in Roma. Yes, this is such a beautiful girly scent. I love it so much. Like I said, this is my third bottle. I haven't finished the first one yet. But this one is not returning, so I definitely needed to get another one because I need this always in my life. So Pink Obsessed has scent notes of, oh, it doesn't say it on here. Okay, let me grab my phone. And this is strong, you guys. When I spray this, it literally feels like I have a perfume on. It does not feel like I'm just wearing a body mist. So the fragrance notes for Pink Obsessed are blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. And yeah, it's just this beautiful, like girly, warm, I don't know. It's really nice. It just really smells like Born in Roma, and that's why I wanted to make sure I have a backup of this. What's the matter? You want to say hi? Ruthie's here. You guys want to see Ruthie? Okay. She's got her little Valentine sweater on. She's all ready. Hey, you're all ready for Valentine's Day? Hey, you gonna be my Valentine? Yes, you are. Okay, I think she just wants to sit on my lap, so we're gonna have her here. Try to anyways. I still see that they have it on the website, so grab it, you guys. Like, it's so good, and I promise you won't regret it. It's such a beautiful, like, date night kind of scent. It's so nice. It's like very girly and pretty. I love it. Another one that I got is If You Musk. This one is a clean girl kind of scent. I have been wearing this non-stop for the past 2 days. As you can see, I've put a little dent in it. And this one smells like Glossier's You. Oh my god, it's so good. I love it. I need to get another backup, I think, because I only have one. This is like a very airy, I don't want to say it's sweet, like it kind of is sweet, but it's more of like just a very clean scent, but it's nice and soft, and it so the fragrance notes are iris, pink pepper, and airy musk. It's beautiful. If you've tried Glossier's You, you'll definitely love this one. Okay, so next I grabbed Floral Fantasy. The packaging of this one is so pretty. I love the purple. It's so gorgeous. And this one is very, like, this is very strong as well. It's very florally, and it's really nice. I feel like this one would be great for date night as well. I wouldn't recommend wearing this, say, to the office or work, because it is pretty strong, and I don't know, I feel like it may be too much for some people, but I think it's so pretty. I feel like this is a mature scent, but not like that, like, gross, like old lady-ish kind of smell. It's just a beautiful floral, and I just feel like it would be perfect for an evening out, girls' night. It's so pretty. The dupe for this one is supposed to be Flower Bomb, and it smells identical to it. I don't know how they do it, but they are able to like capture the scent just almost like perfectly, and I'm very impressed. So the scent notes for Floral Fantasy is peach, osmanthus, jasmine, and warm patchouli. Yeah, you could definitely, okay, that's what it is. So you can really smell the patchouli in here. It's really strong. It's very different from all the other fragrance mists that I have, so I'm happy to have that one in my collection. And then the next fragrance mist I got is Brightest Bloom. The packaging on this is so pretty. It's so summery. This one is like one of my favorites ever. It smells so good. I also feel like I need a backup of it. This one smells like Marc Jacobs Daisy. Spot on. It smells so good. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So this one has scent notes of Lily of the Valley, Jasmine, Sambac, Garden Carnations Fresh Cedarwood. So it's got like this floral, like woody kind of scent. And it's also a little fruity. If you have smelled Daisy before by Marc Jacobs, you know what I'm talking about, but it just smells exactly like that. I already know that I'm going to go through this really quickly. This is just one of my top favorite scents, and I wish I would have gotten another one. So I remember smelling Frosted Coconut Snowball in the store a long time ago, and I loved it. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. I think I just forgot about it, because every time I go into Bath & Body Works, I feel like I black out. When I saw that it was available for semi-annual sale, I decided to pick it up. So this one has fragrance notes of frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, winter freesia, snow-kissed woods, and sponge sugar. This is a sweet coconut. I am not a coconut fan, only if it's like sweet. If it's a sweet, sugary kind of coconut, then I love it. Which is what this is. And this one reminds me of like a pina colada. It's nice and sweet. You definitely get the coconut, but like I said, it's that sweet, juicy, milky kind of coconut. Amazing. Love it. Okay, and last but not least, I picked up In the Sun. I decided to get the fragrance mist and the body cream. So this one smells like a beautiful sunscreen. If you're into that, then you will definitely like this one. It's not too strong, but it's not too soft. It's like just perfect. And these scent notes are sun-kissed neroli, sparkling orange flower, and bronze sandalwood. Just smells like a nice beachy, fresh sunscreen. Kind of smells like a little bit like Fruit Loops, or no. But anyways, this one smells really good as well. The body lotion smells just as good. I'm actually going to put some on. Yep, smells so good. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was kind of like all over the place, but it seems like this is just how my videos are gonna go now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you would like to see next. I definitely am going to shop at Bath & Body Works again, because they are coming out with more fragrances in their luxury line, and so those high-end perfumes are very expensive, so why not have a body mist that smells just as, well, maybe not just as strong as the original perfume, but I don't mind respraying in the middle of the day, but these sprays definitely last like 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, and for like less than $5, why not? Okay, I'm going to end this now. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.